Hello, we're here with some basic troubleshooting tips and tricks to help your iPad function properly. Do you find yourself waiting and waiting for apps to download? Do you get an error when you're trying to visit a page on Safari or upload an assignment? Try some of our top 5 tips to help you get right back to work. First, try closing the app. To do this, double tap the home button by pressing it 2 times quickly. Then, tap on the app and swipe it up off the screen to close it. Next, try turning the iPad off. To power the iPad off, hold the power button until you see the red slider appear, and then swipe to power off. The screen will go black. Wait a few seconds and press the power button to turn the iPad back on. Remember, whenever the proxy box pops up, please enter your 6-digit student ID number as your username and 8-digit birth date as your password. Never press cancel. It's always a good idea to go to your Settings app and check to be sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to your network. Sometimes turning your Wi-Fi off, waiting a few seconds, and turning it back on again can also help your iPad get to functioning properly. Tip number 4, the hard reset. This one usually does the trick. To do a hard reset, press and hold both the power button and home button at the same time. Do not let go until the Apple logo appears and the screen goes black. Wait for your iPad to turn back on, and then check to see if the problem is fixed. Sometimes apps just won't work and they won't upload. Remember, school apps can take up to 24 hours to upload. If you've waited and you still don't see the app or it's still not working, it might be time to do a delete of the app and to reinstall it from the app catalog. If you've tried these troubleshooting methods and you're still having problems with your iPad, please email student.support@vansd.org or call 360-313-5400. Thank you.